Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can insert a Kanban section in your Airtable workspace. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to this option. As you can see, has the Kanban option. So we have to click on the plus icon, and if you want to rename this name, you can also do that. Then simply you have to hit the create button, and after clicking on this, as you can see, now you have to choose the field. For example, I'm going to choose the status, and after that simply I'm going to click on the done. As you can see, now the status will be shown here. You'll be able to see all the status of your all created cards here: unnamed card, record, unnamed record. So as you can see, the to-do, and then in progress, and the done. In the done we have this card, and in progress we don't have any kind of card, and in to-do we don't have any kind of card, and uncategorized cards, these are provided. If I'm going to this grid view, and let's go to the gallery section, and I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to make this status like the in progress. And now let's cut this, and let's go to the Kanban section, and now here you will be able to see the one in the in progress. So as you can see, now this unnamed in the in progress, and the one in the done. So in this way you can manage your Kanban. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can manage this. So see you guys in the next video.